all forms of chicken on here. That is actually amazing.
And I test the recipes of the internet, so you don't have to.
Let's grab our chicken. Today I like breasts.
I like him too.
Slice it in half.
Also known as a breast reduction. Wow. Botched.
Smack it till flat.
You heard the man.
Now a little bit of salt and pepper.
A lot of bit of salt and pepper.
We got our 3 stations. You know the drill.
This is always the worst part of these recipes, all this raw chicken handling. I didn't beat some of the meat enough, and so it was really thick and took ages to cook through.
Now, 2 eggs.
Now, 2 eggs.
Little soy sauce, sugar, homemade chicken stock.
Soy sauce, sugar, store-bought chicken stock.
Thin sliced onions. Egg mixture goes in.
This part took a little bit of skill, but I was proud to say we got it right on the first try. You just don't want to overcook your eggs. Chop, 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 chop. Now overall this recipe was a lot of work, but it was worth it. The chicken was flavorful and crunchy, but the hidden star of the dish is this omelette, which was delicious even on its own. We made some with Kewpie and peri peri mayo, and it was amazing too. Anyway, follow along if you want to see me make more internet recipes. Love you, bye.